Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance, we are accident at work claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you're suffering or have suffered from a work-related illness, there's a chance that illness could have a lasting impact on your life. And it's important to know that under the right circumstances, you may have the right to make a claim for compensation because of these effects. Today, I'm going to be looking at some of the long-term effects of work-related illness and whether or not you can claim. Generally speaking, the long-term effects of work-related illness can be categorised into physical, mental and life effects. First of all, physical effects include the physical pain and suffering as a result of your illness, including any surgery or treatment that you may have had to go through in order to treat said illness. Then there's the mental effects. This is emotional pain and suffering as a result of your illness. The psychological effects of an illness can be just as debilitating as the physical effects, sometimes even more so, particularly if these effects are left untreated. Then finally, there's life effects. This is the effect of your illness on your life, such as any financial consequences or loss of future prospects. Whilst it is of course important that you recognise any effects yourself, if possible you should always have them professionally assessed by a doctor, psychologist or an accountant to ensure that when you're claiming, there's evidence from a third-party professional to back up your claims. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same, and whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.